camp stirs under the first light of dawn. Fires smolder, horses snort, and the horns of Macedon thunder. The air is sharp with cold, yet charged with destiny. You are no longer a farmer, nor a son. You march with Alexander, and today the world begins to tremble. He appears on horseback, his silhouette cut against the blazing sun. Alexander's gaze sweeps the ranks, sharper than steel, heavier than bronze. His words ignite the men, not with orders but with fire. In his presence you are not afraid. You are inevitable. The land stretches endless, dust chokes your throat, and the sun burns your skin raw. Each step is a war of its own, but the column moves as one, driven by something greater. To falter is to vanish into history. Raging waters block the path, yet Alexander commands a bridge of flesh and timber. Shields link, ropes strain, and together the phalanx becomes unstoppable. The river roars, but the will of Macedon is louder. Whispers carry through the column, Persian scouts, shadows on the ridges. Every eye scans the horizon, every ear strains for the sound of war. The enemy is near, unseen, yet everywhere. Then it begins. The blast of horns, the crack of arrows, the scream of horses. The Persian vanguard strikes from the dust. You grip your spear, shoulder to shoulder in the phalanx, your heart hammering louder than the drums. The sky darkens with arrows. Alexander raises his sword high, voice cutting through chaos. The line surges, the earth shakes, and tomorrow the empire bleeds. If you want to step deeper into history, subscribe to POV of the Past, where every story puts you inside the moment. You marched with Alexander into the heart of Persia, but beyond Greece, another legend rises. The Spartans. Next time, you will step inside their brutal training camp, where boys are broken to build warriors.